Are you just like always kind of on the prowl for laundromats, or
I
what's?
mean, yeah, absolutely. So like when we spoke, that was 9 months ago, and we're always looking in terms of just looking online, networking with our distributors, networking with other laundromat owners. Believe it or not, Craigslist, just even just typing laundromat for sale and then looking on Facebook, like there are some things out there that you will find. And I will say this definitely wasn't the first deal, right? We had gone through a number of like contacts, deals that unfortunately fell through for one reason or another, and we ended up here. I believe in trusting the process, and if something doesn't feel right, it's not right. And if it doesn't happen, for me, it's like, okay, that's for a good reason. We were selective about the next store that we took on. We didn't want to take on anything that was too much of a time investment at this point, just simply because I'm working, right? My mom actually is working. She has a 9 to 5 that she works in the finance industry. So we're busy, right? And then my husband's running around all day to varying laundromat locations. And then he's doing our laundry service business and running that with another team member. So we were kind of like a little trepidatious in terms of like taking this on, but we definitely felt like it was the right opportunity and a way that we could just grow our portfolio of laundromats. That's our goal. We want to make smart investments. We don't want to just like rush into something, and if it's not looking great on paper, we're going to walk away.